This is the running snail, what I call preparedness radio. It has everything. You can see it has the weather channel, has FM, AM, and over here the 25, 50, 75, and 100 is how much power it has in it. Okay? Now I'm going to play with this thing. Well, I guess I have to turn it on. As you can see with the solar panel, which is right here, when you turn it around, you've got a phenomenal light in your tent or whatever, and when you pour it down, it goes out. Then you've got another light over here, real bright. And the cranking is easier than you can imagine. Of course, you got an antenna here, okay? But the crank is right here. You just pull it out. Let's see if I can pull it out while I'm holding the camera. Yeah. Just pull it out. And you can crank it clockwise or counterclockwise, and you can crank it clockwise, and it does not take much effort to do that. I'm doing it with one finger. As you can see, the top part, DC 5 volts, and down here, the ever needed USB.